down here when I sit. It still bothers me.
Still bothers you?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's work on it. It's still fresh. The injury.
Is this really still fresh?
Well, but you're sitting for prolonged periods of time in school.
Yeah.
It doesn't help much. And the sitting is the worst position that you can do for the spine. Okay. Relax. Okay, go ahead, line your stomach face down, please. So,
Yeah. It just scares me because I think that it's just gonna
breath
keep
in.
happening.
Out. Okay, breath in. Out. Okay. Out. Okay. Go on the side, please. Face me. Keep this leg straight. Okay. Relax. Relax your shoulder. Okay. Relax. Okay. Stop. Let's do that. Out. 3. Spine. When are you going to nursing school? When is that?
At the end of August.
Oh, gee.
The end of August, yeah. So stressful.
Okay, relax. Ah, that was a good one.
Yeah, that was.
Okay. Yeah, so when you sit for long hours when you study, make sure you, especially if you have a computer in front of you, set up there's a program, I don't remember the name of it, but you can set it up so it kind of shuts down the computer and reminds you to do the stretches,
Oh, okay.
which
so
you can
won't
see them
sit
on
too long.
my website. There's exercise tab and there are stretches and everything for the low back.
Okay.
So if you do those every waking hour, then the pain is not going to be as bad, okay?
Okay.
So with you being injured in an accident and sitting for long hours studying and doing other things, they don't play along with this. Your spine doesn't like it. It doesn't matter how much rehab.
It's telling me. It's
Yeah.
telling me, yeah.
It doesn't matter how much rehab you're going to be getting here. You need to kind of be active too by fighting it. You know, just
Okay.
because there's only so much we can do here at the clinic, but you need to also stretch and exercise and do like breaks in between if your job requires prolonged sitting of hours, 8 to 10 hours. Most everybody sits between 8 to 12 hours a day now.
Yeah.
So it's crazy.
Yeah.
So, okay, ready to see Gail for massage?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
that will help you as well. Okay.
Yeah, that does help.